Hello, I'm Vasil Soloshuk, and this is Wealth Management for Engineers. This time we will look at asset classes and find which of them are used in WealthTech software. An asset class is a group of securities that have the same characteristics. Securities of one asset class are controlled by the same regulations. They mostly react the same way to influences in the market. The list of main asset classes includes stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents. Many experts add real estate and commodities as the fourth asset class. Hedge funds, private equities, futures, financial derivatives, and cryptocurrencies are often called alternative asset classes. Now, let's look more carefully at these asset classes. Stocks are also often called equities. These are shares of ownership in a company. Stockholders may receive dividends or profit from rise in the stock's price. However, if the company's business is not successful, the stocks may fall in price. Historically, stocks have outperformed other asset classes in long-run investment. This is why they became a very popular investment. Most digital wealth management platforms have stocks in their investment advice. And this is how DriveWealth describes the stock in its open API. Here we see the name of company, the symbol of its assets, and the asset class. Bonds are also called fixed income investment or debts. This is a kind of lending money to a government or corporation in exchange for some interest. The interest payments are made at a fixed rate and schedule. Unlike stocks, the size of payments for bonds doesn't depend on the company's profitability. Bonds must be paid even in case of bankruptcy. Therefore, bonds are less risky than stocks, and this makes them very popular among financial advisors, including digital platforms. And this is an example of municipal bonds offered by Wealthfront. Real estate is about property, such as land and house. Investing in real estate allows investors to make big gains. However, buying, owning, selling real estate is a lot more complicated than investing in stocks and bonds. This is why only few investment platforms provide these investment opportunities, and among them are Building Benjamins and Fundrise. Futures are contracts obligating the buyer to purchase an asset and the seller to sell it. Historically, these assets are commodities, but today futures are also regard financial assets. The future markets is rather risky. Therefore, most digital advisors don't include this investment. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple became a rather popular investment. However, this is a highly volatile market. Not many investment platforms provide their users with this option. Among those who do, I would name M1 Finance, Robinhood, eToro, and Hydrogen. And now, let's sum up. We looked at different asset classes. Stocks and bonds are the most popular securities used in WealthTech platforms. Thank you for watching this video. This was Wealth Management for Engineers and me, Vasil Soloshuk. See you next time.